Welcome to Goal Vision using your home page. In this clip, we will show you how to use your home page to get instant access to your activities, appointments, notice board and dashboards. Click on the tabs to view your dashboards. Your activities are listed on the left-hand side of the screen. A count of overdue activities is shown in red. Click on the link to view the list. Or use the pop-out icon to see the list in a separate tab. Your activities are ordered by date and time. For each activity, you can see the summary, the account, and the due date. And if it's for a contact, an opportunity, or a project, click on any of these links to open the parent record. Work instantly on your activities using the icons. You can edit the due date, add a note, log time, or complete an activity, or pop out the activity. Click on View All Activities to see your to-do list. Your appointments are listed on the right-hand side, ordered by date and time. You can open the appointment, the contact, or the account, or pop out the appointment into a separate tab. Click on View All Appointments to see your calendar. Your notice board is shown at the bottom of the page. Click a notice to open it, or click to open the account. Your Goal Vision avatar, title, and header are specific to your team. Speak to your system administrator to change them. Return to your home page at any time using the Goal Vision logo or by clicking on the View menu. Thank you for watching using your home page. Please visit our YouTube channel to see more useful videos.